So good morning all of you. Ma'am. So last two classes we will discuss the concept on matrices and determinants. Now this session we will we solve the questions previous 2006 to 2023 case set bits there. So now first one they given already we learn this concept here. So how to we solve these questions means here lengthy procedure and shortcut methods we can apply means easily if you are getting answers. Here sigma 2a plus 3b is equal to one matrix given, a plus 2b is equal to another matrix given if you want to calculate b value. So generally we can comparing these coefficients. Now here sigma 2a there. Here also we can take 2a, then we can subtract, then easily we can remove that 2a value. So that's why this matrix, which matrix a plus 2b there, that one we can multiply it with a 2. Then what happens here? 2 into a plus 2b is equal to this matrix totally multiplied with a 3. So that process is what was matrix scalar multiplication. So now here what we are on here, that value is equal to, so 2 into 5 10, and this value 0 and this value 6. Next this value 2 12 4 value. This is one equation. Now they given another equation. Now this can be written as 2a plus 4b is equal to this matrix 10 0 6 2 12 4 value. Now this is equation 1. The given matrix is what here? 2a plus 3b given. 2a plus 3b is equal to, now we can take here 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 4, next 3 2 5. Now we can subtract these two easily if you are eliminate that a value, and after that if you are getting b value. Subtraction means minus, these two are cancellation. Then 4b minus 3b is nothing but b value only. Now already we know that matrix subtraction, difference between the two matrices means how do we calculate this value here. Now we can subtract this matrix to this one. 10 minus 2 corresponding elements 8. Here 0 there, minus half minus 1. Why this matrix minus this one means minus half minus 1. Then 0 minus half minus 1 means 1 value. 6 minus 4 means 2 value. 2 minus 3 means value 1 is minus 1, and 12 minus 2 means that value is equal to 10. 12 minus 2 10. Next 4 minus 5 means minus 1. Now this matrix here 8 1 2 minus 1 10 minus 1. So this is the correct option. Okay na? But in board oriented means we can comparing this one. Also this is the method of first question, and second one already I told at the time explanation. Order questions are very important. Here what they given, order of a matrix 2 by 3, order of matrix 3 by 2, order of C matrix 3 by 3. Which one of the following is not defined? So not defined question is also very important. Sometimes we can define, then we can put the tick, the first answer. That's why question also we read carefully. So here which one is not defined here? So directly I can choose fourth option. So means verification Sima. Fourth option here verification what there, C into A plus B dash. A plus B dash first order how much? Bracket value. A plus B dash order how to find it. So this is the addition between two matrices. Already we know that addition between any two matrices means the two matrices order are must be equal. So now here what is the order of A? Order of A is they given 2 by 3 given plus order of here order of A is how much given? 2 by 3 given. Order of B dash there, not B. So order of B is 3 by 2. B dash means we can interchange, transpose rows into columns or columns into rows. So that's why this order can be interchanged, means 2 by 3. This order is 2 by 3. Now Sima, both are same. There are this order and this order same, means A plus B dash is defined. A plus B dash is defined. Now what is the order of this one? Order of A plus B dash is equal to 2 by 3. Now finally we can add on C into A plus B dash order if you want. So that's why C matrix order they given 3 by 3 given. Now this is the product, and order of A plus B dash is equal to 2 by 3. Now in between these two matrices product means already we discussed whenever the two matrices is defined conformable, the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. But here what happens? Here 3 value there, here 2 value there. These two are unequal. These two are unequal. So that's why this condition is not defined. This condition is not defined. Remaining three conditions are must be defined. Okay na? Right. Next. So what is the third question? Now, Sima, third question what given there? If A is equal to this one, A square minus 4A plus 10 into I is equal to A, then K is equal to. So yesterday class of I explained this type of one model. Here 3 by 3 given or 2 by 2 given, one method there. That method we can remember. So A square minus 4A plus 10I is equal to A. So generally we can solve this question. First we can find out A square value. After that we can put the A value. Now we can simplify this one. But without that calculation, so we can find out this one. A square minus 4A plus 10I is equal to A. How do we calculate? Means first we can take one characteristic equation. Means what we done here, lambda square 2 by 2 given means trace of given matrix into lambda plus determinant of A into I equal to 0. This one we remember, whenever 2 by 2 matrix given equation, if you want, we can apply this one. Then here lambda means lambda only write down, lambda square. Trace means what? Sum of the principal diagonal elements. How much there here? Sum of the principal diagonal elements, 1k there. So 1 plus k. That value how much? 1 plus k trace of into lambda plus determinant of A. Determinant of A. Yesterday we solved this question. That A is equal to, first we can multiply 1 into k minus 3 2s are 6. This value is equal to k minus 6. This value we can replace here, k minus 6 into I. Into I means identimatic number. In matrices multiplication we can number, that is one value. So that value equal to 0. Okay now. Now this is the general form. Now finally we can write down lambda plus A square minus 1 plus k into lambda means A value plus k minus 6 equal to 0. Now this is equation 1. But this equation we comparing with the given equation. What they given? Given equation A square minus 4A plus 10I equal to A given. We transfer that A this side. Then what we write here? A square minus 5A plus 10 into I equal to 0. Now we can equating these two. Equation 1 and equation 2. We comparing the coefficients of A and constant value. So A square is same there. So that's why what we done here? 1 plus k is equal to 4. 5. 1 plus k is equal to 5. Then here Sima 1 plus k is equal to 5 means we can write on here value 5 value. Then finally if you are getting k is equal to 4 value, and we comparing this value 10 there. 10 comparing with k minus 6. K minus 6 is equal to 10. So this value, oh sorry, here minus 3 there, determinant value is plus. Minus 3 means determinant value is a plus. Then what happens, k plus 6 is equal to 10 means k is equal to 4. This is the best method for if you solving the in competitive exams. Not only CET, JEE also they given 3 by 3 matrix given. At that time we can write on the characteristic equation A cube lambda cube minus half trace of A and sum of A square into sum of the minus of the conditions. So that question there means now I can solve that 3 by 3 matrices also. Now this is the 2 by 2 matrix. We can solve this method and we can find out the k value. So now what is the option for this one? 4 there and not equal to 1. Here now 1 value is also not possible. Okay, na? Right. Next. This one, Sima, fourth question. They given A matrix given 10 into B is equal to another matrix given, and B is the inverse of A. Then the value of alpha. Now this is 2077 bit, and also they given JE mains also given us previously this one. So now here what they given? A matrix given 10 into B given. B is inverse of A given. Already we know that B is inverse of A means meaning what? B is equal to A inverse. B is inverse of A means what? B is equal to A inverse. Now from the 10 into B given, by using the 10 into B, we can find out B value. So 4, 2, 2, next minus 5, 0, alpha, 1, minus 2, 3 value. From this equation, B is equal to what? B is equal to 1 by 10 into this volume of 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, alpha, 1, minus 2, 3 value. So this is B value. Now that B is equal to A inverse. A matrix you know already told yesterday how to find it A inverse. First we can find out det A value. 3 by 3 matrix det A means 1 into this value 1 plus 3 value plus 1 into 2 plus 3 value plus this value 1 into 1 into 2 minus 1. Now calculate this value if you are getting 10. Why? Here 4 there, here 6 there. 6 plus 3. Here how much there? 1 into this value 1 plus 3. 4 value there. Next minus into minus 1 into 2 minus minus into minus plus 2 plus 3. So this value 5, this value 4 and this value 1. So if you are getting here 10 value, okay na? So this is the det A value. Now how to find it inverse of this value means already I told them adjoint matrix we required. So adjoint matrix we required means that method. Yesterday I told them that method 3 by 3 matrix even means how do we calculate that adjoint? We can start with the middle term and middle term means second row and second number. So 1 minus 3 then 2 and again 1. Next third one 1 1 1 1. Next first row 1 1 first row middle term 1 1 and again 1 minus 1. Again we can repeat the first one 2 1 1. Okay na? Now here we can find out directly adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Directly we can find out my adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, already told them the difference of these numbers vertically we can write. First we can take these two difference. How much more? 1 plus 3, 4 value. Next these two difference minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 value. 2 minus 1, 1. Actually this one also not required. If you want alpha value means here element alpha there. So now we can find out this also not required, this one also not required, this one also not required. Just we can find out this value. So where if you are getting this one, this value. So this difference we can find out means enough. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 value. Now this one also not required. So now we comparing adjoint of A and this one A inverse. Adjoint there means already we know that formula A inverse formula. A inverse is equal to what? Yesterday I told them A inverse is equal to adjoint A divided by det A value. Here det A is equal to 1 by 10. Adjoint matrix already we write on here 4 minus 1 1. Now we can not required for this calculation, so that's why I can put a gap here. Then here 5. This value we required 5 and gap there. Now this is the A inverse. Now this one and that B matrix both we comparing the second position of this one. Which one? Column 2 and row 2 and column 3. Here 5 there. There alpha there. There also 1 by 10 there. Before here also 1 by 10 there. So that's why alpha by 10 is equal to 5 by 10 value. 10 10 cancellation. Alpha is equal to how much more? 5 value. Alpha is equal to 5. So this is some little bit lengthy there, but this is JE also they given previous, but must and should we can find out inverse, then only we can calculate that value. Okay, right. Next one, Sima, if A is equal to this matrix even is singular, the possible values of X, the possible values of X, the possible values of X, they want to find out possible values of X. Now Sima, singular means what is singular matrix? Yesterday we will discuss any matrix determinant is equal to 0. So we know that that A equal to 0. That implies A is singular. A is a singular matrix. Now that matrix singular they given means that A equal to 0. So now we can expanding the determinant value. The determinant value of this matrix 0 into, so 0 into anything is equal to 0. So first we will leave it in my bracket minus x into this value x square minus 0 plus 16 into 9x minus 0. 9x minus 0 equal to 0. Here what happens, Sima? Minus x square there. Here minus x and x square. That's why these two we multiplying means minus x cube plus 144x equal to 0. Again we can take minus x common. Minus x when we take common, x square minus 144 equal to 0. X equal to 0 or x square equal to 144. X is equal to plus or minus 12. X is equal to plus or minus 12 value. So that is the option for this one. What my here? So this is the first option, 0 comma 12 comma minus 12 value. Okay na? Right. Next question, Sima. Sixth question they given. Sixth one. So sixth one, what they given, Sima? Sixth question. So sixth one given, if A is equal to 1 minus 2, then A into adjoint A. Yesterday I told them this property, A into adjoint A is nothing but that A into I value. So A into, yesterday we can write on adjoint properties. In that property we can use A into adjoint A is equal to that A into IN, identity matrix. So now we can calculate, must be here that A value. So before we can find out the that A is equal to, then what we have done, first element, first row, first element, that minor cofactor. 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 6 value. Both negative means positive, 6 plus 2 into, then again what we have done, 0 plus 9, 0 plus 9, then plus 2 into this value how much more? 0 minus 6. Now calculate this value 2 plus this value 18 minus 12 value. So here plus 2 minus 12 means minus 10. That value is equal to 8. That value is equal to how much more? 8. Now here that A is equal to 8 even means now we can calculate this value A into adjoint A is equal to that A means 8 IN means what? Identity matrix of order n means which matrix given, that matrix what we written here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So now this is the scalar multiplication, that number multiplied each and every element in the given matrix 8 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 8. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is the third option for this matrix 8 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Next this one, Sima. Seventh question, characteristic equation. Actually this is old syllabus, so but characteristic equation means already told number that equation. So one point we remember, first we can search the given matrix is which type of matrix. Here three values are zeros there. Three values are zeros means this is the principal diagonal. Which one is principal diagonal here? So this is the principal diagonal. Which one? This yellow color there, that is the principal diagonal. Their principal diagonal we consider. Okay, now principal diagonal 1, 2, 3. Above elements are zeros means that matrix is called lower triangular matrix. Yesterday I told lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix given, the determinant value is equal to product of the remaining number. And here similar also characteristic equation if you want means whenever diagonal matrix given, the diagonal principal diagonal which elements are there, those elements only characteristic equation roots. So 1 3 6. So this is the answer 1 3 6. Otherwise general matrix given, then how to calculate, sir? That characteristic roots means just we can write down that principal diagonal elements like this. Suppose this is not a triangular matrix, this is another general matrix here. At the time same this type of matrix there 1 3 6, we can take 1 minus lambda into 2 minus 3 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda is equal to 0. So the principal diagonal we can subtract the lambda value and we can multiply this one. If we get cubic equation, if we solving, then if you are getting the characteristic equation when that is not a triangular matrix. Now they given triangular means our calculation is easy. So that directly we can take principal diagonal elements only characteristic solutions of the given matrix. Okay, na? Right. Next one, Sima. Eighth question. So simple only. Eighth, A is equal to given A inverse. Yesterday I told Nama this A inverse means formula what? First A inverse we can write down here adjoint A by that A value. 2 by 2 matrix given means how to calculate adjoint A. Just I told that remembering purpose, just we can interchange the principal diagonal elements 1 2 3 4 given. Now adjoint A if you want means just we can interject the principal diagonal element and we can change the sign of the non-principal diagonal elements minus 2 minus 3 and we can calculate that A. That A means value how much? 4 minus 6, that value minus 2. Okay na? That value how much more? Minus 2 value. That value is equal to minus 2. These two values we can replace above formula. So A inverse is equal to adjoint A by 1 minus 1 by 2 into adjoint A, 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. Okay, na? Now where am this option? Minus 1 by 2 here, there, 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1 there. So this is the answer for that A inverse of 2 by 2. Similarly, 3 by 3 also same. Previously I solved now that question. Next, another one question they given Sima here. Ninth one they given. If A matrix, then adjoint of A. This is also yesterday I explained that properties. We know that determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but that A power n minus 1. That A power n minus 1 value. Then that A power n minus 1 means first we can calculate here. Which value we calculate? That determinant value. So there we can choose that matrix. Suppose for example A. Now that matrix what here? 2, 1, 0. Then 0 to 1, next 1, 0, 2 value. Okay, na? So this is the matrix. Now we can calculate here that A means value how much? 2 into, so 4 minus 0, 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into anything is equal to 0. Leave it, that calculation leave it. That is equal to 4 2s are 8. Here minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 9. That is what only adjoint A, that A. Now our calculation what determinant of adjoint A is equal to that A power n minus 1. That A means 9. N means the order of the given matrix, 3 by 3 order. So 3 minus 1. This value is equal to 9 square. That is equal to 81 value. That value what here? 81. For this option 81. For this answer what here? 81. So for this one, what 81 is the answer. Okay, na? Right, next. If A and B are the square matrices of the same order such that A plus B is equal to A minus B, A square minus B square, then already I told one property. In A plus B into A minus B in matrices, generally this one satisfied, but in matrices this is not satisfied. Why? A square minus AB plus this value how much more? BA minus B square. Actually this is the product of in matrices. When this condition is satisfied means when AB is equal to BA, when AB is equal to BA, this the above given condition is satisfied. But AB is not equal to BA generally in matrices. Whenever he given that condition, then only this condition is satisfied. Okay, right, leave it. So by using this one, they given this one number. So that's why we can choose AB is equal to BA must. So then what we done here? AB, A inverse whole square given. Now this value if you want to find out. Now I can choose here AB is equal to B there. So instead of this place, instead of this AB place, now we can write on the value of, now we can write on the value of BA value, BA into A inverse whole square. Now here Sima, A into A inverse, one property there. In same matrix and its inverse must and should be identity matrix. A matrix and its inverse must and should be identity matrix. So that's why now I can write on A into A dash, A inverse is equal to I value, B into I whole square. B into I whole square means B into any identity matrix, B only. Then that value is equal to B square is the answer. Okay, now here important key role means this one. This property in matrices is not satisfied. In case the property is matrices is satisfied, we can choose, we can take a condition AB is equal to BA must. Then only we can solve this one. Otherwise not possible. So then another one, Sima. So another what given here, A and B are two square matrices of the same order such that AB is equal to B given. What they given here? AB is equal to B and another one BA is equal to A given. Okay, na? Now this can be applying in two methods there. AB we can take, otherwise required condition only we consider. Now I can find out this value. A square plus B square value. Now I can write on this value. A into A plus B into B. Okay, na? Instead of A value, A is equal to BA given or B is equal to AB given. Okay, na? So now we can write on this value. Instead of this value, A into BA value means in this place. Now in this A place, we can replace BA value plus here again B as it is there. This B place again we can write on AB value. Now you can make the pairs. First here AB into A value plus BA into B value. What they given, Sima? AB is equal to how much? B value. Now again this can becomes BA. Okay, plus BA is equal to how much given? A given. Again this one becomes AB. Now Sima, BA means A value, AB means B value. Finally, if you are getting here A plus B value. So this is the answer for this one, A plus B. Otherwise, we can take directly this one, AB into A, B. We can multiply first time A on both sides. Second time we multiplied B on both sides. Then also we are getting the same answer. Okay, na? So AB is equal to B given, BA is equal to A given. Then we can split that A square can be A into A, B into B. In that one A place we can write on BA value, one place B place we write on AB value. Again we can make pairs. Again we can replace that value. Finally, if you are getting A plus B value. Okay, na? Right. Next. Next, Sima already explained this one, same model, characteristic equation. So then again what we did on characteristic equation here, Sima, matrix this one given, lambda square minus trace of A matrix into lambda plus that A into I equal to 0. Whenever 2 by 2 matrix given, equation form given, this is best method. X and Y, if you want me directly, if you are getting X and Y. So what we did on here, lambda square minus trace means what? Already I told you, trace is nothing but sum of the elements in the principal diagonal. 3 1 there. 3 1 sum how much more? 4. 3 1 sum how much here? 4. So this value 4 into lambda plus that A means value how much? 3 1s are 3, 1 2s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1 value. So 1 into I means 1 only. That value equal to 0. Okay, na? This is the equation we can solve by using that given matrix. Again we can write on lambda plus A square and A value. This one comparing with this one, A square minus 4A, A square minus 4A, A square minus 4A plus ma Y into I value. Here Sima, A coefficient minus 4, here A, sorry, here X given. They given what they given ma here? X value. Given equation plus X. Plus X value there and Y into Y there. Now we can comparing X value. X is equal to minus 4, Y is equal to 1 value. So minus 4 comma 1. This is the correct option. Second one is the correct. Sima, this is very easy method by applying this one. Otherwise, we don't know this one means first we can calculate A square value and we multiplied with A value and multiplied with identity matrix. Then total equation equating to 0 and we simplifying the equation. Then some little bit lengthy. So by using this one, easily we can find out that X value and the Y value. Okay, na? Right. Next this one, ma. This question cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta given, then A into A dash. A into A dash means what? Transpose. So A matrix product A into A dash is equal to A matrix, what they given here, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta again cos theta. So now we can write on here transpose. Transpose means what? We can interchange rows into columns or columns into rows. So that's why in this matrix what we write on here, cos theta again sin theta, then we can write on here minus sin theta, then this value can be written as cos theta. Now we can find out this product. Here see cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. And again here see first row and first column over. Cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta. One positive, one negative. This value is 0. Most probably if you are getting this value is equal to I. How much this value is equal to I. So that is the second option for this one. Second option for this one. Next. This one also over, no? So sorry. Here, which one? This one? Yeah, I value. So 13th I value. Okay, na? Right. Next one, Sima. 13th I value. Next question number 14, Sima. Question number 14. Question number 14. So what they given question number 14? If capital A and capital B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then which of the following is not true? Which of the following is not true? Yesterday also I solved this last 5 minutes. I solved this type of one question. They given what they given in data. A and B are symmetric matrix. A symmetric means what? A transpose is equal to A. B symmetric means B transpose is equal to B. Now which one is the not true? True means which one is not opposite case given. So that's why now I can choose the fourth option, AB minus BA. Whenever this one given, we can apply in the transpose. Yesterday I told the transpose properties. A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Here product given means two term. Another one property there. AB whole transpose can be written as B transpose into A transpose. Ulta baribeku. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose into B transpose. B transpose is B, A transpose is A. A, B. Now we can choose the value A minus B, A. But if you get the value B minus A, opposite ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ minus common tagitte nodri AB minus BA. So now you can take same matrix P dash is equal to minus P. P dash is equal to minus P means what? P is a skew symmetric matrix. P dash is equal to P minus P means P is skew symmetric. That's why this is what they given here. AB minus BA is actually skew symmetric. Yen bantu namkuma skew symmetric bantu. But what they given here? Symmetric given. So that's why this is the wrong option. They want to ask wrong. Which one is not true? But these three are must and should be true. We can apply the same method. We can solve that given question. Okay. Right. Next. My 15th one. This one actually Boolean groups theory question. This one. Right. Sima. 1 minute. So group theory question means first we can find out here. G is equal to x given is a x is a non-zero real number. Means what? Non-zero real number means x belongs to R minus set of 0. X belongs to R minus set of 0. Now I can choose one identity matrix related with this matrix. I dash is equal to, you can take identity matrix 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. How we will get this 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means we can take like this. They given X matrix given X, G matrix, X, X. We can choose one identity matrix E is equal to this value X, this value X, this value X. Now we can multiply this one. If you are getting each cases, 2xe is equal to X, E is equal to how much more? 1 by 2, X cancel. So like that, this matrix, E matrix is that one, identity matrix. Now we can choose one identity matrix, or now we can take here A into A dash is equal to I dash. Already told number any matrix and its inverse, not dash. So here A place we can replace this matrix. This inverse if you want means 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 we can replace here into A inverse is equal to I dash means this is the matrix 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Actually we deleted that row operations in your NCERT textbook. Row operations, column operation, transformation, elementary transformations there. Now we can apply the elementary transformation on the both matrices. R1 can be changes like this. R1 can changes R1 into 3 by 2. R2 can changes R2 into 3 by 2. And row 1 3 by 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ row 3 ನು 3 by 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ multiply ಯಾಕೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 3 ಇದೆ into 3 by 2 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ 1 by 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ 1 by 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 by 2 into A inverse is equal ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಮ್ಮ there 1 by 2 there 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 how much ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. R1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 3 by 4 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 3 by 4 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 3 by 4 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ 3 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ I dash I ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ replace ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I dash into A dash is equal A inverse is equal to 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 3 by 4 ಆಯ್ತು. any identity matrix multiply with any matrix they given same matrix count. So ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ನಮಗೂ A inverse is equal to ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 3 by 4 3 by 4 3 by 4 3 by 4. So ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Which one is answer ma? This one. Actually this one previous concept. So old concept for this one. Now here first we can choose this related group on identity matrix. That matrix 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 there, and we can apply and we simplifying the given question. Okay na? Right, next one Sima. 16th question number 16 Sima. Ma already over this one now explain ಮಾಡಿದನು ನಾನು. So a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a minus a plus b ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಮ್ಮ, ab is equal to ba. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್, leave it. Next, if the matrix a plus b, but they given one matrix given a plus b is equal to what they given ma, 2 3 5 minus 1 given. Okay na, where a is a symmetric and b is the skew symmetric, then b is equal the symmetric part to skew symmetric part. But ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. a plus b whole transpose is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, 2 3 5 minus 1 whole transpose. ಇದು ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ, a transpose plus b transpose is equal to 2 3 5 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಮ್ಮ, a is symmetric matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ a transpose is equal to a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, b is symmetric ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟು 2 5 3 minus 1 ಬಂತು, 2 5 3 minus 1. ಸೊ 2 5 3 minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1, ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2. ನಾನು 1 minus 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 1 minus 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ minus 2b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾರಿ, 1 minus 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ರೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ a minus b ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ವೇಟ್ 1 minute, ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 1 plus 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 1 plus 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಮ್ಮ, b plus b ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 2 plus 2 ಎಷ್ಟು, 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ a plus b, 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, 8 6 ಅಲ್ಲ 8, ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಗೈನ್ this matrix and 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 3 8 minus 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು 8 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 4 4 minus 1 ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆನಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವನು a plus b is equal to, ಒಂಚೂರು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು, a plus b is equal to this matrix ಇವನು 2 3 5 minus 1. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ b ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ a ಬರುತ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ b ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಅವೆರಡು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೈನಸ್ b ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ, ನಾನು ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಮ್ಮ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. So a plus b, first they given a plus b matrix, what they given there, 2 3 5 minus 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, a ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, 2 3 ಎಷ್ಟು 5 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಇದು a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 2 5 3 minus 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1, ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 1 minus 2 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ, b ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2b is equal to, ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, 2 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, 3 minus 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2, 5 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, minus 1 minus half minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇವಾಗ b is equal to ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 0 minus 1 1 0 ಬಂತು, 0 minus 1 1 0. ಮತ್ತು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, 0 minus 1 1 0. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಮ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇದು ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 18th ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 18th one ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಸಿಮ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಗಿವನ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 3/4 ಗಿವನ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದಮ್ಮ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು m/n. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, m/n ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3/4, ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4/3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು m/n ತಗೊಂಡ ನಾನು. ಈ m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈ 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗನೇ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, m/n ಇದೆ. ಎ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, 4/3 ಇದೆ. n ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ m/n, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್, 3/4. m/n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, 3/4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ರೈಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ದ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 9th. ಇದು ಹೇಳಿದ ನಾನು, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ, the symmetrical part of ಎಷ್ಟನೇದು 19th ಅಲ್ಲ. ದ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ the symmetrical part of uh, the symmetrical part of A matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು A ಪ್ಲಸ್ A ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು A ಪ್ಲಸ್ A ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಅದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 2 4 ಇದೆಷ್ಟು 6 8 2 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ A ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 1 2 4 6 8 2 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಎಷ್ಟು 2, 2 ಬೈ 2 ಎಷ್ಟು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8, 8 ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು 2 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6, 6 ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3. 1 4 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 8, 8 ಬೈ 1 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 16, 16 ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8, 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. ನೋಡಮ್ಮ 4 8 0 ಎಲ್ಲೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸಾಕು, ಆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಬೇಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 19th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ಬಂತು, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಮ್ಮ, ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಡೆಟ್ ಎ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಟ್ ಎ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಾನು, ಡೆಟ್ ಎ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓ ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್, ಲಿಜನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಇದು ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 0, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಸಾರಿ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ. ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ, 2 ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 0 0 0 3 ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 0 0 0 0 0 4 ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 2 ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಇದು. ಇದು 0 ಇದು 0 ಇದು 0 0. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/2 0 0 1/3 0 0 0 1/4. ಮುಗಿತ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1/2 1/3 1/4 ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is the option. So diagonal matrix given, just principal diagonal inverse 1/2 1/3 1/4 ಮಾಡ್ತೆ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 0 1, ಸೊ 1 0 0 1 1 0 ಮತ್ತೆ 0 1 1 0. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಐತಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ 0 ಇಂಟು 0 1 ಇಂಟು 1 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಇಂಟು 0 0 ಮತ್ತೆ 0 ಇಂಟು 1, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, 1 0 0 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, 1 0 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎರಡು ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವನು. 2016 ಮತ್ತೆ 2022 23 ಏನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ರು ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ರು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1/2 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1/2 ಇದೆ, 1/π ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1/π ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. 1/π ಏನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದಮ್ಮ, ಕಾಮನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/π ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ πx ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ πx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x/π ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x/π ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x/π ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x/π 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ πx ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ πx. ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು π/2. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು π/2. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/π ಇಂಟು π/2 0 0 π/2. ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, π/2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೇನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/π ಇಂಟು π/2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಂತ 1 0 0 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. 1/2 ಇಂಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 1/2 ಇಂಟು π ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1/2 ಇಂಟು i ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ m/n, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು, ಎ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಮ್ಮ. ಇದು m/n ಬರುತ್ತದೆ, m/n. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ಅವಾಗ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 24th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. 24th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ a dash is equal to I given. So that's why we can add this value. ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ cos 2 theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ sin 2 theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, sin 2 theta. ಇದೆಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ, cos 2 theta. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಬರೀತೆ, cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Again this value sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is equal to 1001 identity matrix type. So now we can add the elements. So which elements we can add? So here we can take plus in between. Cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta 2 cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta plus sin 2 theta 0 value. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮಲ್ಲಿ 2 into cos 2 theta 0 and 0 again 2 into cos 2 theta is equal to 1001 value. But these two we comparing means whenever two matrices are equal means their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal order. So ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into cos 2 theta is equal to 1. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos function ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 angle ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೂ cos 60 degrees ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi by 3 pi by 3. 2 theta is equal to pi by 3. Then what about theta is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6. Nodama, pi by 6 is the answer for this one. Okay na? Right, next. So next one, but this was to 2 value. We can multiplying the product. If you are getting my here, so 4 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 8 minus 8, 8. We can applying this one. We can take only 4 common. 2 square into 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. Means this value is equal to what? 2 square into a value. One thing do it here. We can comparing n is equal to 1. What happens? N is equal to 1 means a is equal to 2 power k into a. Here see 1 is equal to 1 means this can be written as 2 power 0 into a matrix. 2 power 0 into a matrix. Here a square means a square is equal to what here? 2 power k into a value. So a square is equal to 2 power k means value how much here? 2 there into a. So in this observation we can choose this option. What happens? N is equal to 1 random. 1 minus 1 into 0, 2 into 0. A power 0, 2 power 0, k value. Then 2 random. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into 2. Here 2 there. Okay now. Like that we can take 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. When a cube we can find out 2 power 4 into a given. A cube is equal to how much given? A cube is equal to given 2 power 4 into a given. So that's why general observation we can identify this value. 2 into n minus 1 is the option. Okay, right. Next. So now see this one. Next 28 or number. Next 29. But this is calculation only. We can apply calculation, multiply these two matrices and equating and equally if you are getting that value. Next 30, question number 30, Sima. A into A dash. Previously also I explained this one. These two, this matrix and this transpose we can take. Then if you are getting the answer is there I value. There if you are getting answer how much more I. Inverse not there here. A into A transpose is equal to if you are getting some I answer this one. Okay. Next, inverse of the matrix. Previously I explained this question. Inverse of the matrix also we can find out det A value and adjoint of the given matrix. 31 question. Question number 31. We can find out inverse. We can do that one. Okay. If you have any doubt, next we can. Here, Sima, if P and Q are the symmetric matrices of the same order, then PQ minus QP value. PQ minus QP. Already solved this question also. Skew symmetric matrix. This answer. How much this answer is what? No? Skew symmetric matrix. See. Skew symmetric. Why skew symmetric means so P transpose is equal to P value. Q transpose is equal to Q value. Okay. So now we can find out this value. PQ minus QP whole transpose. Now we can apply this value. PQ whole transpose minus QP whole transpose. That is equal to Q transpose into P transpose. P transpose into Q transpose. Q transpose is equal to Q value, P transpose is equal to P. So this value is equal to PQ. Now we can take minus common, PQ minus QP. So this value is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now repeated question that one. What repeated question. Now this one Sima, transpose of the matrices given. So addition of this one JE question also given. This type of model JE question also given. 3A plus 4B transpose there. Transpose that 2B minus 3A transpose that. Which value we want to find out here? A value. If you want to find out which value here, B value if you want to find out. So that's why we can eliminate A value. How to eliminate A value means first we can apply the transpose of the given matrix B transpose whole transpose is equal to, we can write on this transpose 7 minus 10 17 and again 0 6 31 whole transpose. When we applying the transpose, 3 into number transpose 4 into number, B transpose whole transpose is nothing but B value. So that is equal to, we can write on here 7 minus 10 17 0 6 31. This is the transpose of the matrix. And again another matrix given. Now we can write on minus 3A dash plus transpose plus 2B they given. That value is equal to how much they given? Minus 1 18 4 0. Next minus 5 minus 7. We can add these two values. These two are cancellation. If you are getting here 5 into B, sorry, 5 into B or 6 into B. 5B plus 2B number 6B. 5B plus 2B 6B. That value is equal to, we can add this number 8 minus 1 6 0 18 minus 18. Next if you add the number 18 means plus 18. This value how much? Plus 18. Next this value which one? 7 18 1 minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 value and 6 minus 0 6 value, 6 plus 0 6 value, 17 minus means 22 value. Okay na. Next 31 minus 7 means 24 value. So now we can divide this value. B is equal to, if you want, means what we are here 6 ones are 6 6 3s are minus 1 1. Now here 4 there 1 3 minus 1 1 2. Actually this one 12 I think here. This value is 12. So that's why answer is what 1 3 minus 1 1 2 4. This is the answer for this one. The transpose and we can add that the two numbers, then finally if you are getting B value. Okay na. Right, next this one Sima. My 34th question, one matrix given, we can apply the A power 4. Nothing but first we can calculate A square. Most probably I think if you are getting here A square is equal to, my A square is equal to, if you are getting here A square is equal to how much means? A square is equal to identity matrix given. A power 4 means what would have done? A square whole square. So identity matrix whole, identity matrix square is nothing but identity matrix. This matrix what given here? Identity matrix given. Next we can find out this value. Which one? Already solved this one. A and B are the square matrices of the same order and B is the skew symmetric matrix. Then A dash B A is equal to. Now Sima, A dash B A is equal to. They are given two conditions. A is A B and the square matrix of the same order. B transpose is equal to minus B. Skew symmetric matrix. Now we can find out B A dash B into A whole dash is equal to. Whenever we can apply the transpose, we can write on ulta, reverse. Means what we write on here? A inverse, B inverse, A inverse whole inverse means A value. Now see here A dash A only, B dash is equal to how much they given? Minus B given into A. Finally we can write on minus half A dash B into A value. Okay now A dash B into whole dash is equal to A dash B into A. Same given means P dash is equal to minus P. This type there. So that's why this one which type of matrix? Skew symmetric matrix. This one which one? Skew symmetric matrix. Right. Next one, Sima, 36th bit. A is equal to one matrix given here. 2 into, yes, Sima, 2 into 2 1 3 2. This is one matrix into A is equal to identity matrix given. So already told whenever two matrices product is equal to identity matrix, one is the inverse of the other matrix. Now what we write on here? A is equal to, we take on to this side 2 1 3 2 whole inverse. Now we can find out the inverse value. Inverse we can, what means the first determinant value. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3 1 adjoint matrix, interchange the principal diagonal elements, 2 2. Next we can change the sign, -1 -3. So this is the answer for that inverse matrix, 2 -1 -3 2 value. Okay na? So what we require here, 2 -1, next one -3 2. So this is the answer for this question. Next we can calculate this value. A matrix given, B matrix given, just we can find out the A B product and we can apply the transpose product. Then transpose means what? We interchange the rows into columns, columns into rows value. Then after then you see, so this is some little bit difficult, means we comparing the concept here. So 38 question number 38, Sima. Question number 38. So here what they given, Sima? 38 question number. Let M be a 2 by 2 symmetric matrix with integral integer entries. Then M is invertible. They given one condition given. M matrix is symmetric matrix. Symmetric means these elements are must be same. Non-diagonal elements are must be same. I given one example given, standard form. Then invertible means that A must and should be not equal to 0. Now we comparing this one. First case what they given, Sima? What is the determinant of M actually? AC minus B square. AC minus B square. Now here, Sima, first point. So first condition we can choose here. What we can find out here, the first column of M is the transpose of the second column of M. Transpose of the second column of M means first column of M, A, B is equal to, idu nanu transpose martana same matrix barutade. So adralli transpose of the matrix transpose of second row. Second row means what, ma? B is equal to C. Now two matrices equal means A is equal to B, B is equal to C, finally C is equal to A. So here we can comparing determinant of M, AC minus B square. Here A space we can write on C value, C square minus C square. This value equal to 0. So that's why this condition is not satisfied. Similarly, the second row of the M matrix, second row means BC is equal to transpose of the first column of the transpose AB. Again, if you are getting B is equal to A, B is equal to C here. We comparing the determinant of M. Why they given determinant of M is not equal to 0, but if you are getting here 0. Again, what would have done? AC minus B square. So here, see, B plus we can write AC minus B square. This value how much? AC minus B square. B plus we can replace C value. Again, C plus we can write on B value. So here A is equal to B, C is equal to B. No, this value B square minus B square. This is also 0. So this is also not satisfied. Now, which property is satisfied? Which condition is satisfied means here third option, Sima. So M is the diagonal matrix with non-zero entries in the principal diagonal. So third one they given M is equal to, we consider like this, A, B 0 0 or AC 0 0. Okay na? So this determinant must be how much? AC. This value is not equal to 0. Why? A and G are non-zero elements. So this is the correct option for the given option. Okay na? Right. Next 39th nodama. 39th already explained this formula. Which one is not correct given? So here adjoint A means formula what, ma? A inverse is equal to A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. So this one correct. But this option is correct and this one also correct. Det A inverse is equal to 1 by det A value, and after then here, Sima, then we can choose this. Which one? Another options what they given, Sima, here AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse, correct, but this one wrong. This option is wrong. Which option is wrong here? This fourth option is wrong. Fourth option then, this one wrong. A plus B whole inverse is not equal to B inverse, of the property only not there. So that's why this is the wrong option. Okay na? Now this one 14 or Sima, A is equal to 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2 given. Then the inverse of the matrix already. Inverse of A cube given. Inverse of A cube. So inverse of A cube means we can calculate. Inverse of A cube means, Sima, this one. We can calculate inverse of A cube means A inverse whole cube. We calculate A inverse whole cube. A inverse means first we can calculate directly here. We can interchange this value, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 3. This is the A inverse value. Determinant how much more? Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. So before minus there, that's why 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. This is the inverse. Now this inverse, we can take cube. So means what we find out here, a cube we find out. First we can calculate a cube value. A cube value, how much here? A square we can find out, calculate 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Okay, na? Then if you are getting here value is equal to how much? 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2, 0, this one. Then this value 6 minus 6, then this value minus 3 plus 0. Sorry, this value minus 6, minus 3 and plus 4. Now if you are getting here identity matrix 1 0 0 1 is equal to I. I cube is a cube is nothing but a value. A cube is nothing but a value. Now first a inverse find out ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ a square calculate ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ, a inverse whole cube can be written as a cube whole inverse. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a cube is equal to how much? A value. A inverse is nothing but again if you get the same matrix, A matrix. So that's why answer is A value. A cube is also given, answer is what? A value. Okay, na? So right, this one also same question, A power. So this session we completed up to, stop on, sir, continue on, stop. So right, this is a session we completed 1 to 40 questions. So next session, that continuation 8 questions there and another one 30 questions there. Maybe if possible means the next session we completed that matrices and determinant total questions. Okay, thank you.